Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that notification bell so that you can be informed whenever I update another video onto my channel. I'm welcoming my niece to my channel. Her name is Jasmine. Make sure y'all go to her page. What's the name of your page?
It's JazzyJ.
JazzyJ. That's it?
That's it.
JAZZY space J.
Yeah.
Anyway, if you put in JazzyJ Buffalo Challenge, Buffalo Wild Wing Challenge, it'll pop up.
Yeah, it's a lot of JazzyJs out there. So just type in JazzyJ Buffalo Wild Wings and then you see a list of all my videos. So.
Okay, so today we are doing a story time. And this story time is going to be about our first time. But not only our first time, but our first period time. Coming on our periods. She hasn't heard my story of my first time. Well, you might have.
No.
I don't think. Oh, she hasn't. And I haven't heard hers. So I'm going to allow her to go first. And then I'm going to go. But make sure y'all go and follow my niece. Support her.
Yes. So, okay, my first time starting my period. So, for one, I was 10 years old. I remember being at home, laying in bed, and like my stomach was hurting really bad. It wasn't like super bad, but it was a little bad. And I went to the bathroom, and then I saw red. Okay, and I remember screaming to my mother. I'm like, Mom, I thought something was going on with me. I screamed to my mother. She came in, and then all she said was, "Oh," and I like at the time I didn't even know what a period was.
Oh,
she said, "Oh," I didn't even know what a period was.
Your child is 10 and sees blood, and you say, "Oh."
But she told me, like, you know, I'm becoming a woman, or I'm having womanly things, you know, with my body.
So she explained it to you immediately.
She really didn't. No, it wasn't really explained. I still ain't know. I mean, she did say it was a period, but I really didn't know what that meant. Like, I didn't know having your period mean you can bear children. Like, that's when you start, you know.
So did she clean you up and then talk to you, or did she tell you while you were still?
She just gave me a pad.
Okay.
She gave me a pad, and then I put the pad on, and then I went to well, at the time I was in daycare, so my daycare lady had came and got me from my house to take me to school. So I told her about it, but
that's crazy. My niece started her period before me.
Really?
Yep.
What time you started yours?
Finish your story.
Oh, well, I mean, and then that was it. But later on, like in the day, I had severe cramps. Like now, I don't have bad cramps, but when I first started, it was crazy. It was something different. Like I always had to have like a lot of Tylenol, like any medication. That's all I wanted because the cramps were horrific. Like they was terrible. But I mean, that's
so it's not as bad as it.
It's not as bad. I mean, I had my moments, but it's not as bad how it used to be when I was younger. Like I would cry when I was younger.
I remember. Okay, so mine was very interesting. I was 12, and it was so freaking embarrassing. I was embarrassed by my mom. So I went to use the bathroom. Same thing. It's probably start off the same way as everybody else when they find out that they're on a period. Go use the bathroom, wipe yourself. You see blood, you're frantic. What the fuck? What the hell is this? I see blood, I'm bleeding. So I think me, my brother, my sister, my mom, and 2 of my brothers were the only ones in the house at that time. So I yelled down the steps, "Ma, come here, come here." So she comes up the steps.
Mommy.
And yes, thanks.
Can I take a picture with you?
No, I'm doing the video right now. Can you go back in there with Auntie?
I want to have a video with you.
Okay, I'll let you do it after we're done, okay?
Okay.
All right. So, I yelled down the step. I say, "Mom," I say, "come here real quick. Put those down." And she comes up the steps, and as soon as she say the blood, as soon as she sees it, what I'm experiencing, she yells down to my brother.
What?
And says, Julia, Nala just had her period. And I was like,
why she yell to them?
Exactly. So embarrassed. So, you talking about embarrassment? I'm 12 years old. I just started my period. I'm sitting here with blood all over the place. I don't know what the hell is going on with me. And I call my mom and she calls my brother. So now he knows that I don't recall. Now he knows that I started my period. So, you know, we had to talk and all of that. And,
put them scissors down.
That's
Kaylee.
pretty much what happened. I was embarrassed as hell. I got exposed immediately when I had my first experience and a horrific accident. So I'm glad that yours didn't go as bad as mine did. Because until this day, I still be like, why the hell did you embarrass me the way that you did? Of all people you could have chose, you chose to tell my brother. Anyway.
So hold on, was your cramps bad at all?
I don't really remember cramping like that. Now that I have birth control, my cramps are like really, really bad. I PMS for like 2 weeks. And when I was having a period, a normal period, when I was having a period, I was only on my period for 3 days. But now that I have birth control, I can experience PMS symptoms up to 2 weeks. And I don't usually know that I'm PMSing until my back is like on fire for like the 3rd or 4th day. And then I'm like, okay, I'm PMSing. Or, you know, I'm fainting for sweets and stuff like that. But I'm going to go ahead and end this video. Make sure y'all go subscribe to my niece channel. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. This story time. We will be coming back with more story time. I'm trying to get my niece to indulge a little more into YouTube since she does have a page.
And she likes videos up, so you can go check those out. Yeah,
she likes to do makeup and stuff like that. And that she actually is good at it. So I think she needs to start like doing some type of tutorials or whatever. But my daughter is being interruptive, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Once again, make sure y'all go like and subscribe. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Make sure y'all like and subscribe to my channel. Make sure y'all share and hit that notification bell so that y'all can be notified for my next video, which should be uploaded, I believe, by the end of the night. So have a nice one, and we will see you next time. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Come down here, Stank, in the middle with us. Say cheese.
Cheese.